Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. Today is Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, and treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Remember that today our remote Wednesday schedule is as follows: 8:45 to 9:15 morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 will be your literacy block. 10:15 to 10:30 you will have a break. 10:30 to 11:30 will be your math block. And 11:30 to 11:45 you'll have your closing meeting. While online today, please be mindful of your mind and motions. Do excellent work. Stick up for others by making sure that others are a part of the conversations, and treat others as they should treat you. Always reach higher to be your best self, Huskies. Make it a great day.